Hey, what's up? So I have a smart flask, and what's smart about it is the fact that the lid, it displays the temperature of the beverage inside. So this cap is working, the battery is fine inside there, but I have another one, put that there so you can see it. I have this one, so the battery is depleted. So here is the utensil. So I'm just gonna get a cloth, as I'm gonna turn this side down on top of here and then force the inside out. So as to not have it scratched, I'm gonna put a piece of cloth on top of the bottle. So put it on top like this, and then you're gonna put this side just like this, and you're gonna force out the middle. So you got to give it a good little force it just a bit. As you can see, it's coming up. So I'm gonna continue doing that until a considerable portion of it comes out. So as you can see, I have a decent amount of it coming out. So I'm gonna just try use my hands now to try get the rest of it out. It's in pretty tight. So I guess I'm gonna have to put it back on the top of this because the hand's not working as good as I thought. So I'm gonna continue to force it. So there you go. So as you can see, you pull it out and there is the battery. So you just slide this out and you get your battery and replace it. So I have a bunch of batteries right here, so I'm just gonna get one from this and put it in. So I will also put a link in the description where you can get these batteries. So just sticking this inside. So from this side. So I was attempting to put it from this side, but as you can see, these things prevented it. So I'm putting it from this side. So that's it. There you go. Simple as that. So reach for the cap, put it back inside here. So that's not in the right position, so let me just try to get it, put that back inside there. So I'm just squeezing this back in place now. So as you can see, it's perfectly working again. And there's the other one. So Just so you can see, this one had the plastic on there, this one didn't. So yes, that's how you change the Smart Flask battery.